Okay, today we are going to learn how to add units to total in 1 second in Excel. For example, if you got an assignment of adding the total along with the units in Excel, how you do in a simplest way. Because if you do it in a traditional way, you may not be able to get the exact result. For example, if you try like this, you won't get any result. So the best way to do is just delete this, press Control plus 1, go to the format cells, click on the custom and the general, just write KG and double quotes and click on OK. Now, if you see any value, you can add any value, okay, and the total, you can just write sum of the fields and close the bracket. And here we go. You'll have the value along with the unit.